Slump test, perhaps one of the most common tests performed on concrete. But what exactly is it, and what exactly does it test? A slump test is performed to measure the consistency of concrete. This test would require the following apparatus: a cone of a height of 300 millimeters, a bottom diameter of 200 millimeters, and a top diameter of 100 millimeters, and a rod, usually 16 millimeters in diameter. Firstly, we need to pour in the concrete in 3 layers, at which each layer is 100 millimeters high. After pouring each layer, we need to tamp the concrete, 25 tamps to each layer, to make sure that we got rid of most of the air particles. When all of this is done, we then remove the cone and wait for a few seconds to make sure that the concrete has settled. After that, we measure the difference in height between the top of the concrete and the top of the cone, at which the value we get is then known as the slump value. Higher slump values means less consistent concrete, or concrete with more flow. The slump value for reinforced concrete is in the range of 50 to 100 millimeters. However, depending on the structural element, the value can be lower or higher than this range. For example, for piling, the slump value could go up to 150 millimeters. And the slump value can be less than 50 for items like blinding. Finally, please note that the ranges will be different from one code to the other.